Sheikh, I have a big problem, Sheikh. The problem is that my father, he was once a very pious person and a very good person, but afterwards, he even did Hajj. But afterwards, he read books of Karl Marx, the guy who invented Marxism, and he became an apostate. And there is no way in hell I left to try to make him come back to Islam, but he will not accept it. And he asks me question like, Islam is also polytheism. I'm like, how? They say, okay, you circle around the Kaaba. Is it not like a black tomb?
Okay, so, Akhi, if your father, who knew the truth and was a Muslim in the surface, decided to join the soldiers of Satan and accept apostasy to be his religion, you have no control over that. Your father is an adult. He's sane. And he has choices in life. Whatever choices he makes, this is what he's going to be held accountable to. You have no other option but to make dua to him and to keep your distance away from him if he's trying to call you to commit shirk or to commit kufr and to join him in hell. This is his choice. What can you do? All the prophets and messengers, peace and blessing of Allah be upon them, faced similar scenarios with their loved ones. And there was nothing they could do. Nuh lost one of his sons and his wife, who refused to accept his call, and they died with the disbelievers. So you can't be better than Nuh, peace be upon him. Prophet Ibrahim lost his father, who he tried frequently to call him to Islam, and the father resisted, was defiant, and died on kufr. So at the end of the day, this is your test, and inshallah you will pass your test. And this is your father's test, who decided to choose apostasy and kufr over Islam after Allah has guided him. So you have no other choice but to move on with your life and to make dua. Maybe Allah one day will open his heart, and Allah knows best.